See those markings on the tyre sidewall? They are shorthand for a veritable wealth of information. In addition to the tyre model name, there is also a sequence of numbers detailing the load index, speed rating, tyre size, construction, and much more besides. This information is necessary when the time comes to fit your wheels with replacement tyres. Let's start with the following sequence of tyre markings as an example. The first number to appear in the sequence is 215. This number is the nominal width of the tyre in millimeters from one sidewall to the other. This number is the tyre's aspect ratio, essentially the height of the tyre's profile outward from the rim represented as a percentage of the tyre's width. In this case, an aspect ratio of 55 means the tyre's height is 55% of its width. This letter indicates the type of construction used within the casing of the tyre, which in our example is R for radial construction. Other examples are D for diagonal construction. The number 18 in our example represents the diameter of the wheel rim in inches. In our example, 99 is a code for the maximum load a tyre can support when fully inflated. Passenger tyres have load indices spanning from 75 to 105. The carrying capacity for each value is described in a load index chart in your vehicle or tyre documentation. Letters ranging from A to Z represent the speed rating. Each letter denotes the maximum speed a tyre can sustain under its recommended load capacity. In this case, you will see that there is also an XL, which stands for extra load, so this particular tyre can carry a higher load than usual for similar tyres.